Hey guys, and welcome to Adsharemarket.com. This is Michael. I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of how to get started using Adsharemarket. Once you register with Adsharemarket, you'll log in and you'll be here at the home page. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and sell an ad space or sell ad space. Go ahead and click on this, and we're going to add an ad space to a new site, a new website of yours. Want to add multiple ads per website, you're going to go ahead and click here, or this is the first time adding ads to your website or social media page, you're going to click next, and you choose a platform in step 2. There's 6 options here you can choose from. In this case, we're going to select a website, but let's take a look at these other ones. Facebook, if you have a Facebook group that you want to send a message to, Twitter, Tweet if you want to send tweets out, Google Plus if you have a following there, Instagram, and solo ads. These would be emails, for example. And then you're going to click next, and once you select the website, step 3, select a category. In this case, we're going to select education. We already have a website selected for this purpose, and this is the name of the website, Education Cam, and we're going to be placing our banner right here in this spot. So we're going to click next. Step 4, create ad setting. In this case, we're going to say this is Education Cam, and you might want to put a little catchy phrase in here like cool education video. Whoops, education videos. And the CPM, in this case, the cost per mil or cost per 1,000 impressions, we'll call this $1 per every 1,000 impressions, what I'm charging. And then your URL for your website. So in this case, it's HTTP, and I already have it selected, educationcam.com. And the ad space, this is very important. You want to select the ad size that you're going to be using on your website. In this case, we have a square 300 by 250. You can see it here. It's a 300 by 250. And we're going to click next. And this brings you up to tell us about your ad space. How many impressions you have on that particular page, for example. And this information you can get from Google Analytics if you have Google Analytics. If you don't have Google Analytics, then you can take a look at any other analytics that you may have on your website. 6,000 impressions is what I know that this website gets more like 6,000 to 8,000 impressions per month, somewhere in that neighborhood. And these are tags. These are to give me the keywords defining what your website is about. In this case, Education Cam is about educational videos. Videos, and you want to separate it by commas, and how-to videos, for example, maybe some physics videos, etc. Now, I'm not going to put etc. on there, but you get the point. This is what we do. Put the tags in there, and what you want to do is you want to create ad space. You have to click on that button twice and then hit next. Once you create the ad space, which I've already created here, you're going to get a piece of JavaScript that you're going to be placing onto your site. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and select Get Code. And it's going to give me my JavaScript. I'm going to select it. I'm going to select it with my mouse. I'm going to hit Control-C for copy. And then I'm going to go into my website where I'm going to be placing the code. In this case, I'm logged into the admin section of Education Cam under this WordPress site. And I'm going to go under Appearance in the left-hand column, go to Appearance and Widgets. You're going to scroll down until you see a text block. Grab the text block. You're going to place the text block where you want the JavaScript to appear. And you hit Control-V as in Victor, Control-V as paste. You'll paste that JavaScript right in that section. Save it. Close. Come back to Education Cam. Let's refresh the page. And you see that the banner is here on this 300 by 250 spot. The banner shows up. So if this were your website, people would come to your website and they would see this advertise here section, and they'd say, hey, I wouldn't mind advertising on your site. They're going to click here. It's going to take them back to Adsharemarket, and where they will see your site, and here it is. Go ahead and click on this site, Education Cam. It'll give them a little information about the website itself and the type of stats this website have, the traffic statistics in this case. We claim we had 6,000 impressions per month. You can actually go through the verification process too if you have Google Analytics set up on your site, and it's going to give you the Alexa ranking of this particular site. It'll also give you the meta description of your site, and it'll provide a potential advertiser with all this information. If they want to buy this space, they'll have to register and log in and do the same process of looking for different websites that they want to advertise on, and they're going to go ahead and purchase the type of impressions. In this case, it was 6,000 impressions. They're going to buy all those impressions. They don't necessarily have to buy them all. They can test it and say, hey, I just want to buy half those impressions, and they would click buy ad space. So that's kind of a step-by-step process of how you can get started as a publisher using Adsharemarket. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and this wraps it up for now, and we hope to see more of you in the future. Thank you.